Now we discuss the network level filtering. So packet filtering enable. So, and also Azure Firewall is cloud native and intelligent network firewall security service that provide best of breed threat protection to our cloud workloads. It's a distributed firewall and subscription based distributed firewall. Because of that, it will not have any issues like lack of resources, right? And then it's fully stateful firewall as a service built in high availability and unrestricted cloud scalability. It also provide east, west, and north, south traffic inspection. And there are two SKUs available, standard and premium. So if you look at Azure standard, these are the two firewalls. If I compare, Azure Firewall Standard provides layer 3 to layer 7 filtering and threat intelligence, feeds directly from Microsoft Cybersecurity. So you don't have to actually, it's like managed firewall. And also threat intelligence based filtering can alert and deny traffic from or to known malicious IP addresses and domain which are updated real time to protect against new and emerging attacks. Because of that, it's not just a firewall, but it has built-in threat intelligence as well. So that is the standard one. And then Firewall Premium provides advanced capabilities, including signature-based IDP, intrusion detection system, and it allows rapid detections of attacks by looking for specific patterns. So usually firewall is not something that look for patterns, but Firewall Premium, Azure Firewall Premium provides a pattern-based detection, and also it has built-in threat intelligence. And also these patterns can include a byte sequence in network traffic or non-malicious instruction sequence used by the malware, right? There are more than over 60,000, around 60,000 signatures, over 50 categories which are updated in real time to protect against new and emerging exploits. Because of that, it's in a better, it provides better security for our implementations. And the exploit categories including malware, phishing, coin mining, Trojan attacks, and all that, so on and so forth. And also, if you have multiple firewalls in multiple regions, so if you want to manage it centrally, that also possible with another component known as a firewall manager, right? A firewall manager, it's a security management service that provides central security policy and route management for cloud-based security perimeters. Firewall manager can provide security management for different architecture types. Examples are secured virtual hubs and hub virtual networks. Kind of, when you implement that, we can configure central firewall deployment and configuration. Even though it's a distributed cloud hosted firewall, and if you have multiple firewall instances running around, using firewall manager, you can configure everything, connected and enforce central policies to restrict everything. So pretty much, other than just going through multiple firewall configurations, you can manage this in a central location.